CODACA has introduced CSHB0410 series ultra-thin flat-wire molding power choke. The size only 4.4mm by 4.2mm by 0.8mm. The lightweight design is suitable for high-density mounting and can save the PCB space. The inductance value ranges from 3.3 microhenry to 10 microhenry. Molding power choke, CSHB0410 series is hot-pressed by alloy powder and has excellent soft saturation characteristics. The coil winding by flat wire provides ultra-low DC and AC resistance to achieve high power, low temperature rise, and minimize the power loss. CSHB0410 series has a magnetic shielding structure with excellent anti-electromagnetic interference ability to reduce buzz noise to ultra-low level. The working temperature is -40 degrees Celsius plus 125 degrees Celsius. Its ultra-thin design can resist 100G gravity acceleration mechanical shock and 5G vibration shock. It is widely used in smartphones, wearable devices, laptops, servers, networks or telecommunications, etc. CSHB0410 series molding power choke features RoHS or REACH compliant and halogen-free. Saturation current curve. Temperature rise current curve. If you need to learn more information or apply for samples, please visit our website CODACA.com. Search for CSHB0410 and use CODACA online design tool to check losses.